Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Karen. I'm joined today by Alison.
Hello.
We are here to bring you a brand new showcase. This is the Joyful Jug. So, another new showcase. So excited.
It's adorable.
This is amazing. Now, Al made all
I
of the
loved
packaging for this one as well. Shall we have a look at the dies, Al?
Come
first?
on then. So because it's a showcase, you also get, when you buy from us, your magnetic folder.
You do. You get your wallet and your magnetic sheet, and that will go straight into your A4 storage binder.
I just loved making these. You know I love making flowers anyway.
Beautiful.
Well, your flower dies are in here. I'm going to bring out the die set. So, your jug. This is your base. Ooh, can we go that way?
Yeah.
There we are. This is the base of your jug. Yeah. Then we have these two make the front.
Oh, I can see the little lip
Can you
piece.
see it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the pourer.
Yes.
Nice.
These two are the back.
I get you.
So,
that comes
it comes
around.
down a little bit in the back. This makes your top part.
Yes.
But
And your base.
there's a little sneaky bit in this. Yes, your top and your base. This is your handle.
Yes, of course. You can see that.
But this is what starts making your flowers.
Wow.
I know, it's really clever, isn't it?
It is very clever. So this is one of our Geordie designer Geordies.
Absolutely.
We have two Geordies.
Absolutely.
We have presenter Geordie, we have designer Geordie. And this is one of Geordie's designs.
But look at the size of that flower.
I know. But you know what amazes me is the fact that all of these samples, all of the flowers are made with the same dye.
Exactly.
But yet look how different they
I know.
are.
I know.
I think it's amazing. It really, really is. But you've got in here as well, you've got that
Gorgeous
lovely
tag.
tag. And that can be used for so many different
That
things.
is your classic tag shape to me.
Yeah, with the hole cut straight into
Yes,
it as well.
yes.
Perfect. Nice little
Lots
layer
of love.
here. Love, love, love that.
Beautiful. And then you have home and
Oh, that's
flowers
lovely.
then to go on the front of your jug. And you have the foliage, which is adorable. And a little tiny bee.
You do have a little bee.
Little
Oh, cute.
I just loved it.
Another one.
Another bee.
Another thing that I do like is this ribbon.
Ribbon tails.
Mm-hmm.
Long and short.
Yep.
We haven't scrimped on any of this,
We
have
have not, but you can use this piece. Is it this one to make the bow then?
That's your bow.
Yeah.
That's your bow.
These are the ribbon tails, two different
Yes.
sizes, and this is the ribbon that goes around
It
the
is.
jug, isn't it?
So you need two of those
Yeah.
or four, however way you're
Yeah.
making your bow. This wraps around the centre,
Oh, of course, of course.
and then your tails tuck behind.
Very, very nice. Right then, let's have a little look
Come
at
on
some of these samples.
Let's move this over then. So let's start with this one, I think.
Okay.
So this to me is pretty basic, but I was aiming for your zinc jug.
Yes, definitely.
And I'm happy the way it came out because
Yes.
I thought, yes, it does look like a zinc jug
It
to
does.
me.
It does. And I love the inking just on the edges of that one.
Yeah,
And for this one, you've made little daisies.
daisies.
Love
It just
them.
felt it needed the simpleness of it.
But I like the way the handle sticks on as well. Can we spin that around, Al, so
We
see the
can.
handle? I love that because you can see it's attached at the
The base
of it
as
there.
it would be.
Yeah,
As it would be.
beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And then there's the little bee on top again.
Ah, cute.
But can I get these flowers out? That's the question. No, I think I've glued
You've glued them in.
I
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
Right, if I can turn it. How can I turn this now?
No. Top down camera, Al? Oh,
Can I-
yes,
that's
this one
better.
here. You can see this one.
Can you see this here?
The green piece, the
Let me
stalk.
bring this back in. Right. So this little square here, all you're going to do is cut it out, obviously. Start rolling from this end. Curl it. I would say around a cocktail stick or a skewer.
Yes, a kebab
Because
skewer you use
you're going to
upstairs.
struggle to do it with a quilling
Quilling
tool. Because you've only got a short little
Mm-hmm.
indent. So I would say go around a kebab skewer, keep rolling it until you get these leaves that they go in different directions. No
That's right.
overlapping.
They'll meet, don't they?
They do.
This leaf, the edge of this leaf here, will meet that beginning piece there.
And then if I can turn this flower.
Oh, you can see
Can
them.
you see the
Yeah.
flower?
You can see those little leaves on the
So
back
they're like
there.
little sepals there.
Nice.
And that is what makes the base of your
Look
flower.
how pretty they look.
They slot into the lid of your jug.
Uh-huh.
You cut. Hang on now. Yes, that's the one.
There's your little hole.
You've got little holes that will cut. You've got two of them.
Just
You
in
can
case you
cut
lose one.
as many holes as you want in the top of this.
Mm-hmm.
And then the little rolled stem just tucks into that. And it is the perfect size.
It is. We've used a little blob of hot glue underneath them,
Yes,
haven't
we have.
Just to keep them in place.
Oh, that one's all tied.
Mhm.
Let's have a look at a different one. So this is obviously the same flowers.
You've gone more decorative. And look how many layers are
Exactly.
on these flowers. Oh my goodness. They are like
Peonies.
like a peony, like a ranunculus.
Yes.
They look like those big, nice, like a ball.
They
you know,
do.
The
They
flower
do.
starts off as a ball, and you've got the smaller one because there is a smaller flower
There
in
is
as well.
a smaller one.
You can see Alice filled in the gaps on this one, so she's got the ones coming through the holes, first of all, and then she has
Tucked around the edge.
tucked them in as well, so they're just glued to the top of the jug itself.
I don't know
I
whether...
love that.
Right. The holes... Hang on. There we are.
Hey.
So the holes come through this piece. But I've obviously stuck another one on
Yeah.
the back to make sure everything is held in place.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously
It
for
neatens it up.
aesthetic
Mm.
purposes.
Does neaten it up a lot.
And then you have these little pieces that hold it all in place.
It's amazing. That is a work of art, that one.
There's nothing holding that in place.
No, I really
The
love...
weight.
Yes, I really love the pattern on these as well.
Absolutely.
I think it's just enough.
It looks
you
like
know?
it's straight out of House and Home,
Oh,
doesn't it?
beautiful. Beautiful.
But that's the bow as well that we were talking about.
Yeah.
So this bow has
four,
four loops. And then
Very
we've got
nice.
the 2 lots of tails on that one as well.
Beautiful. And your last one, Al?
Oh, let's pop that one back up there. And the last packaging, I thought we'd go for a wooden jug. Because again, I just felt it needed it.
Definitely. And we
We've
had
gone
just
for the
had
classic.
we had just had our wooden papers in.
We
were
have.
testing them.
We have. Oh my word, loved them. And then I've just wrapped, no tails on this one, just a plain little bow around the top.
I love that. And we've moussed the
Moussed
homes
the
and
plaque.
flowers.
Yes. Because it's debossed, it comes up gorgeous with
Yeah.
a little bit of mousse.
Fabulous.
So that was the
Love, love, love
packaging
that.
to give you some ideas.
Now, you can tell when the girls have really, really enjoyed a die
Yes,
set.
you can.
So
you
I'm
can.
just going to start at the top and work my way down. So if you have a little look at this one, this is from
This is
Christine, isn't it?
Joe,
Yes.
Christine, yes.
This is from Christine. Now, she hasn't put the top piece in, but she has put her
oh,
flowers on a longer stem. Isn't
Nice.
that cute? So she's taken
wow. I think
the...
she's wrapped it around a straw.
Could be, and she's taken the idea of the
Yes.
twirled strip, hasn't she, and elongated it there.
But that could be a real
So-
bunch of flowers, couldn't it?
Yeah, yes, it is.
Wrap the stems in something plastic, obviously.
Exactly.
What
But
about
look at
Mother's
that.
Day next year? Easter
Fabulous.
next year.
And she's added those, I love the way
Gorgeous.
she's added the leaves onto the actual stem of these as well.
That is beautiful.
Love that. Oh, I love that, Christine. Fabulous.
That is adorable.
Very, very nice. And lots of ribbon tails on that one.
Yes.
Gorgeous. Okay.
So
So
this one.
that one is,
So this is your pattern papers.
oh, not Shabby Meadow. What was the other one called? Whimsy Meadow.
Whimsy, yes.
Whimsy Meadow?
That was Dusky Rose.
Oh, is it Dusky Rose?
Maybe. I know there's some greys
Yes.
in Whimsy Meadow as well.
Yes,
There isn't
I
there?
think that's what got me thinking it was Whimsy,
Mm.
the big one.
But what I love
I think it is
here as
Dusky Rose, you're
well-
right.
Who made this one? Let's have a little look.
Ruth.
This is Ruth. Look at the little butterflies that she's cut out of the papers
Yeah, just fussy
and just
cut.
dotted them in amongst the flowers. Can you see there?
Beautiful.
And she stuck all the flowers. I'm trying to show you underneath the big blooms. They're all around the top.
Oh, I can see that now, Al.
Yeah?
Yeah, beautiful.
Adorable.
Very,
That's
very
gorgeous,
nice.
Ruth. Thank you very much.
Okay, next one. Now this one is fabulous. So this is
Shilpa.
from our Shilpa.
I knew
Yes,
that was
it is.
Shilpa.
You know.
These are Shilpa colours.
Yes, those beautiful flowers though.
Absolutely.
And she's taken a leaf out of your book, Al, and she's cut them upwards
Yes.
rather
Tipped
than
it
out.
over.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those flowers together. They look stunning. Shilpa,
They
you've
are
definitely had
lovely.
fun making this one, I think. It's
Stunning.
a beautiful set.
And obviously a proper ribbon bow on this one.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
love it. Love it.
Gorgeous. Okay, next then. Who have I got next? Let's have a little look. Shabney's next.
Oh, Shabney's has gone a little bit
A little bit country,
younger,
a little bit
little bit more
gingham.
modern.
Mm-hmm.
I love the way she's curled these bows.
Yes.
And I
Love
love the
that.
two little sprigs on the front tucked into the bow as well.
Yes, and they're brought all
They're
the way
all
around
the way
as
around
well.
there.
Mm-hmm.
How gorgeous is that?
That is fabulous. And the little plaque on the front there.
She's done the little bee on the top there.
Oh.
Can you hang on?
Is
now.
he
Can
is
you
he
see it?
hidden in there?
He's there. Can you see him on that
Oh,
top
I can
one?
see him.
And she's put some crystal lacquer onto
Oh,
that.
some crystal glaze.
That's the one. I had glaze in my head and I thought, no, that's not
It's
right.
not that. It
It's
is
not
that.
It is that.
Beautiful one there, Shabney's, thank you. So this one is from Shilpa.
Beautiful.
Look at the flowers on that.
Look how full these flowers are. If I tilt them forward, I don't know whether you can see it.
You can't, it's full. This, oh, if I lift that up slightly.
Yeah?
Yeah, look, you can see how full that is. So Shilpa has glued some flowers actually to the stems, the
Yes,
ones
she
that you
has.
glue in place.
She has.
And she's covered that, absolutely covered that with little flowers.
It's just adorable.
It's stunning. And again, beautiful pattern paper.
Yeah.
Go on, Cam.
Mariposa.
Mariposa
I was thinking of that
moments.
I
I'm
love
not-
Mariposa.
I'm not remembering any of these names today. They're not doing
That's
it for me
fine.
To
at
be fair,
all.
Mariposa is a very old one.
It
It
is.
is.
It is.
But adorable.
Stunning. Beautiful, beautiful flowers on that one.
So I can reach this
You've
one.
got
So we
that
got
one.
very summery this time.
That is very young too.
It is. It is. But that goes to show that this will suit any age group.
But look at the tag. I love Home and Flowers. You can read it there. And what did we say with that one, Alice?
It's gone over with an
pen?
alcohol pen. The wide end of an alcohol pen.
So it hasn't dipped
And
into
keep
the...
it very flat.
Good
So
idea.
go across the card flat. And then you're going to get that
It's
effect.
amazing.
It's beautiful,
Absolutely
isn't
amazing.
it?
But I love the vellum flowers on this one as well.
Oh, it's all about texture, I think,
Yes,
with flowers.
yes, it is. But when you look at these, you can see how many different ways they've been made. So
Yes.
these ones, they've been curved out, but they've got like
Creased
a
in the
little fold in the
centre.
centre. And you can see that on all 3 layers of that flower there, and the little ones in the centre. Beautiful.
I love it.
And
Love
then
it.
the last, but certainly not least,
This one's adorable as well.
oh, it's another Christine.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Love the little daisies on this
Me
jug.
too.
The beautiful blue with the white daisies.
So classic,
Makes
isn't
it
it?
pop.
And looking like it's been sort of hand painted onto the jug.
Yeah.
You've got like half a daisy here on the just on the very edge. I love
Stunning.
that. And the matching daisies inside, gorgeous. And of course, what we didn't say was what a sizable gift box it is.
Absolutely.
We're just showing you a decorated jug. It really is.
Can you see in
yeah,
there?
you can.
Yeah.
You can. I mean, that is a sizable
That's
gift
my
box.
hand by the side of it.
For comparison, I know it's
So
it's really big.
that's a pretty big box.
It is. It is absolutely delightful.
I love these. I hope you were going to love them as much as we do.
So this is available on our website now. What are you going to be making? Are you thinking of more springy things? Are you thinking Mother's Day? Have you got anything in mind for these? Let us know in the comments. If you've got any questions or anything you want to ask us about this die set, again, just pop those in the questions. Leo will come back and answer you.
She will.
She's the one that always checks all of our videos. So yeah, Leo will come back and answer those for you. If you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, don't forget you do get 10% off these new launches with your TCK discount. If you do put a few too many things in your basket, go wild in the aisles, Al.
Why not?
You can pay in instalments. I think what we've got working at the moment is ShopPay, PayPal, Klarna.
Yes.
Yeah, they've all got different terms, so have a little look at which one applies to you. The most important thing though, Al, what do we always say?
Tag us in your mix.
We love to see what you are making. We want to see where your mind takes you. How are you
Absolutely.
going to shape your flowers? Are you going to have a look at Al's video and have a look at how to shape the flowers?
We had a series of making flowers.
We
didn't
did. We did.
Have a little peek.
There's a really good one, honestly. Al's made some beautiful flowers. But you can always have a look at those. Just take some information, inspiration from the packaging. Al's done all of those lovely samples for you to see on there. But also you'll catch all of these on social media from our design team as well. I think that is it for us. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget though, if you do like this type of video, if you can give us a cheeky little thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can hit the notification bell.
Ding.
And you will be notified when we do upload any videos or when we go live. It's been a joy to have you with
Absolutely,
us for our
it has.
joyful jug today. Thanks for joining us.
Happy crafting.